Here I have POCO X5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to perform a virus scan on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open security application, then go to the security scan, tap agree, and then it's like checks your payment environment, privacy and security, and also your if there's any viruses on your device. So as you can see, it like scans all apps. And as you can see, everything looks good, no viruses found on my device. So like if you suspect there's viruses on your device, you can perform this operation and be sure of if there's some. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.